Okay, the SX is assembled again, and I haven't finished finessing the wiring. This is just a bit of a test run before I go ahead and put it back together to make sure that the controller board actually does what it's meant to do, because stupid me didn't really test it beforehand, which is possibly a major mistake. And we've got one other little fix to do, because during the installation the GFIDOS ROM select wire came off, so we need to fix that up. But that won't stop us from being able to switch the machine on and at least see if the controller board is doing what it is meant to do. So let's have a look at the controller board. Controller board is in there, looking for all the world like the original SX64 controller board. No difference, except for instead of twisting, these now click. You may not be able to hear that over the air conditioner, but these are now push buttons. They do turn, they are rotary encoders, but that function is something I'm not using. Not even sure if it's implemented in the firmware should you install the PIC chip, but it wasn't on my radar, so I didn't really care about that. Okay, well, let's turn it on, see if we at least get a picture. Yay. We've got GFIDOS there, so that is definitely a good sign. Now let's press a button, and hey wow, just got to actually work out. Should have made note of which buttons did what. Well, obviously that is the source select. I'm going to assume that's probably up and down, and that's menu. Yeah, I think that is menu. Wow, fantastic. That is exactly what we wanted to see. I'm really happy with that. The next step will be to test to see if its volume circuit can replace my temporary job here, and if it does, yeah, happy days. Okay, so that is the LCD controller replacement, CRT controller, done and dusted, working like a boss. Alright guys, I'll leave you to it. Enjoy.